Junaid Khan, Junaid is saying, could you demonstrate the two methods of sujood as-sahw? Sujood as-sahw is simply regular two prostrations, like the one which you offer in the prayer. But sometimes you do the sujood after you conclude the prayer and you make taslim. Then you make another two prostrations and you say in them whatever you say in the regular sujood. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. There are other supplications, of course, but if you just say that, that is sufficient. Then when you sit down, you make taslim right away and you don't have to recite another tashahhud. The other method is if what happened in the prayer was as a result of forgetting something that you remembered. In this case, after you recite tashahhud, the Durood Sharif, and before making taslim, you proceed towards making two prostrations, and then when you sit down, you make taslim without reciting one more time. Okay?